Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Crossroads and we are on Caledonia Avenue now, and Crossroads is in Kingston, Jamaica. Okay, now it's called Crossroads because it is where 5 roads intersect. 5 main roads in Jamaica in the Kingston area. We are on Caledonia Avenue now. And coming up at this intersection, if we were to turn left, we'd go on to Marasca Road. And Marasca Road would take us down to National Hero Circle, and then that would take us towards downtown Kingston. And now as we head, okay, we're going to come up to another intersection now. Okay, so if we turn left at this intersection, we go down to intersect Slipe Pen Road. And if we are turn right, we'd stay on Caledonia Avenue. Actually, it's Slipe Road, not Slipe Pen Road, it's Slipe Road. Okay. Now at this intersection, if we turn left, we would go on to Slipe Road, and that will take us down towards the Torrington area, Torrington Bridge, and you can go downtown or you can go to KPH from there. If we went straight across, we would go on to Halfway Tree Road, and that would take us to Halfway Tree. And if we turn right, that will take us on to Old Hope Road, and Old Hope Road takes us up to Ligony and then Papine. So this is why it was called Crossroads, because this is where all the main roads in Kingston intersect. And geographically, Crossroads is in the center of Kingston. So it was a very, how would you say now, very important place. And you have the Crossroads bus station, which is, if we had turned left, it would be straight across. You can see one of the buses heading there now. And it's a major transport hub for buses and taxis. So you have 3 of the busiest places or 2 of the busiest places. Okay, we're going on to Old Hope Road now. 2 of the busiest places in Kingston is downtown Kingston and Halfway Tree. And in the middle of those 2 locations is Crossroads. Crossroads also has a lot of schools. So you can imagine the amount of traffic that would pass through Crossroads. And as a major transportation hub, you can go from Crossroads and literally go anywhere in the country via bus. Okay, you also have the Crossroads Police Station, which is one of the larger police stations in the Kingston area. You have a post office. Basically, you have all the amenities you will expect to find in a major town. You have the Crossroads Market, and also you have one of the most iconic buildings in Jamaica, which is the Carib 5 Cinema. It used to be the Carib Theatre, but it's very popular in Crossroads. We didn't go on that side this time, but next time we'll go on that side and show you. There's also a very popular hospital in the Crossroads area. It's on Caledonia Avenue. It's the Nuttall Memorial Hospital, and it's very popular for its maternity ward. Okay, now on the left coming up is the new Crossroads tax office. So you see, Crossroads has literally all the amenities you would find in basically a city. The transport, hospitals, tax revenue, everything you would expect to find. And it leads you from Halfway Tree. Basically from Crossroads you can go to quite a few locations around the city. Okay, now where you see that blue wall that says Azan Supercenter, that used to be a movie theater. So you can imagine you had Carib down the road. I think this theater used to be Regal, and you had Regal right here. But movie theaters don't really seem to last long in Jamaica. I'm not sure why. but the drive-ins have all closed. I think it's just Palace Cineplex that's up and running now. Alright guys, well, enjoy the tour of Crossroads. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video.